In this video, I explain how I diagnosed and fixed a series of error codes. P0206, Injector Circuit, open, cylinder 6, P0306, cylinder 6 misfire detected, and P0316's engine misfire detected on startup, first 1,000 revolutions. The customer brought in their vehicle with the check engine light on. I connected a scan tool and confirmed the error codes. First, I visually inspected the fuel injector wiring harness and connectors for cylinder 6, but found no visible damage or faults. Next, with the key off, I disconnected the fuel injector connectors and used a multimeter to measure the resistance across each injector's terminals. Upon testing, I discovered that the fuel injector for cylinder 6 had no continuity, confirming that it was faulty. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty fuel injector, cleared the error codes, and performed a road test. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. If you're dealing with similar error codes or fuel injector issues, this video will guide you through the diagnostic process and solution.